Hey guys, this is Chase, and in this video I wanted to take a look at some of the hand tools that I use when fixing electronics. Let's get started. One of my first tools that I love to use is a regular toothbrush that you can buy at like a dollar store or convenience store. This is very good for cleaning flux or just dust off of a motherboard or corrosion. It's very good for basically all of those things. My second favorite tool is the Northridge Fix Brush. It's got these very fine bristles down here at the bottom that allow for really good cleaning with getting rid of flux off of the board, and then it's got the sharp steel bristles on the other end. These steel bristles are very good for cleaning up the corrosion on motherboards. I have a black light that I use for curing solder mask. I have very fine tweezers when it comes to doing like TriStar chips or very small BGA chips on motherboards. I also just recently bought a very slightly curved version of these, same thing. Those are really good for running jumpers. I love using these tools. They're like metal pry tools, and they're very good for just really a lot of different things. Getting underneath like iPad glass, as long as you've got the iPad glass heated up just nicely, and then you can slip like a plastic tool right in there, but it really gives that leverage, I love using those. So the tool that I really love to use, they're called Hemostats, and they are very good for just like everything. Whether you need to like grab onto something, right? You need to grab onto it, and while you're trying to desolder it so you can pull it out, yes, these are amazing for that. These are also good for HDMI ports if you want to do them. Now, I do prefer tweezers for HDMIs, but these do work great for those as well. Or if you really just need to grab a hold of something and, hang on to it, however, these are great for it. I love using these regular tweezers that you can find from most electronic repair kits online. They're pretty generic and they work really well for just about everything. I really love to use some Hacko, or I don't even know what these are, but they're wire cutters. They're very fine, and then you can go up and just snip stuff if you need to do that. I have a very long pair of tweezers that I use for HDMI ports, USB-C connectors. You can even use this for QFN chips too. But I use these because it keeps my hand, away from the board while I'm trying to heat up the port, right? And I can pull it right off. So I love to use these. I love to use an X-Acto knife, whether it's for scraping away at a motherboard to reveal the trace, or if it's to cut a jumper wire. These are just amazing to have. And the last one for this video is the iCracked, the iPlastic. I absolutely love this tool. It's very thin. It's almost like a playing card, but it's made of plastic. And these are super good for iPad glass. So if you, once you get your pry tool under there and you kind of get in there and you can kind of work that adhesive all the way around, and it just works so good. So that will be it for this video. I just wanted to cover a quick couple of tools that I use on my repair bench on a daily basis. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have an awesome day. Take care.